I was finishing up a master's degree that last semester, and to say that I was building a home at the same time, I think it says a lot, because I did not have to worry about issues arising, right? It was made completely easy, and I think that should testify as to how easy Tabor makes it for people to do it.
My name is Blandi.
Hey, my name is Eivy, and we're from the Stoneridge Farms.
We loved where the lot was at. Yeah. The view behind us and the neighborhood. It was very kid-friendly, and since we have a son, it was just like the right choice for us to be there.
It was nerve-wracking at first, absolutely. Yeah, I would be lying if it wasn't, but it was completely smooth sailing.
It was really smooth. Yeah. It was just like email updates here and there, you know, and just email back, okay, we got this, got that, good.
The week after week, getting new updates, seeing what you picked, from the plans to the colors to the layout, it's ours. It's very customized to our needs.
I love the closet personally. It's the way it's designed. Storage-wise, the off-season rack up top, that helped a lot with all our coats now, and I didn't really think I needed a closet that big, but I do.
Anytime we have friends over, yeah, that's one of the first questions that comes up. Who and how?
It's the open floor plan, all the memories of friends and family we get to have over now and just have fun, create memories.